Why does my Snapchat still have this Bitmoji? What if I just want it gone? So if you're looking to remove your Bitmoji avatar from the Snapchat, let's do it together with me. First, open Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Now, tap the setting icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Bitmoji. Now, here's the trick. Tap on Bitmoji and you'll see an option that says Unlink my Bitmoji. Tap it. Snap will ask if you're sure. If sure, then just confirm it and it's gone. Your Bitmoji is officially gone. Now your profile will go back to the classic default ghost icon instead of Bitmoji avatar. Change your mind? No worries. You can always recreate your Bitmoji by going back to camera icon and customizing a new one. So that's it. Now you know how to remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat in just few steps. If this video helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips.